Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this intro training course on LollyLaw, the #1 rated case management software for immigration law firms and teams. My name's Chris, and in this video today, we'll discuss how to log in to your LollyLaw account using your username and password, as well as how to get back into your account if you ever forget your password or have trouble. By now, you should have received your login credentials from your law firm's admin user in your LollyLaw account. You'll come here to this screen, which is live.lollylaw.com. This is our login page to LollyLaw. Here, you'll enter your username and your password associated with your user account. If you have any trouble logging in or you forget your password at any time, you can always come here to the Can't Log In button and select I forgot my password. Here, you'll enter your username associated with your account. So that might be different than your email address. You'll enter your username, and Lolly will send you an automated email with a link to reset your own password. If you need additional help after that, you can reach out to one of your firm's admin users who can also reset your password for you, or you can reach out to our support team, support@lollylaw.com, and we're happy to help you as well. Now I'll return to the login and I'll enter my username. So here I'll enter my username and my password. I'll click continue to log into my LollyLaw account. It's the first screen that I see when I log into my account. This is our dashboard. Now in the next video, we'll speak more about the dashboard here, as well as the first 4 tabs that we'll get into during this LollyLaw intro training: the contacts, matters, and schedule. This video, we discussed how to log into Lolly using our username and password, and what to do if we ever forget our password. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.